Hey everyone! Today, we'll show you how to download music using Google Chrome on your phone, whether you're using Android or iPhone. If this video helps, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome on your mobile device. Search for Pixabay and visit their official website. While there are many sites to download music, we're using Pixabay because it offers free, royalty-free tracks. Once on Pixabay, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Select the Music section. Scroll through the vast collection. Pixabay offers over 10,000 copyright-free tracks. Preview a song by tapping the play button next to it. Download the track by clicking the download icon on the right side of your chosen song. Once the download is complete, tap Open to access the file. Alternatively, you can locate it by opening the Files app on your phone and navigating to either the Audio Files or Downloads folder. Got any questions? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.